Alright. Okay guys, this is our menu. Okay, Vineyard Rodeo Drive Plaza. Only wings yan. Ayan. Okay, ito yung ating honey chicks. Gleo Parmesan. And Pesto Lover. Cheesy Dynamite. And Wasabi Tebasaki. Gravy Goodness. Mango Tango. Zombie Wings. Asiano. Red Reaper. And Red Reaper Parmesan. Okay guys. Ito yung ating main dining. This is main dining. Ito ang ating pinaka simpleng signboard. Vineyard Poppers. Okay. Ito yung labas natin. Ayan. Andyan sa kabila yung off-road. And may upstairs tayo sa upstairs. Second floor. So guys, ito yung second floor natin, no? So, kung sino man may hilig mag-Andy Wings dyan, so tara na, dito na. Sugod na kayo dito. More fries, more drinks, more Andy rice and wings. Alright? Ayan. Ito ang ating second floor. Ayan, second floor. So, maximum dito. Kasya rito, 25 packs. Maximum person. Okay, so guys, so ano pang inaantay nyo? Sugod na kayo dito sa Vineyard Wings Rodeo Drive Plaza.